Alright, so here's one of the bikes that I've been really looking forward to seeing at this show. It's the MV Agusta Superveloce. And what a lovely looking thing it is. So it's based on the F3 800, but with redesigned fairings and a bit more of a retro style. So we've got the inline 3-cylinder engine from the F3, and it gives you 145 horsepower, 65 pounds-feet of torque. See the little TFT dash in there, and then we've got traction control, ABS of course, and engine braking control. And there's also a up-down quick shifter here. I think that's an optional extra. So we've got Brembo M4 calipers on 320mm discs, and then the suspension is from Marzocchi, or the forks are, should I say, because the monoshock is from Sachs. So you've got cruise control here as well from the right grip. You can see the same tank actually from the F3, but the tail unit is specific to this bike. And look at that lovely saddle with that stitching. There's a little storage bit. Pillion seat is really nicely hidden with that red leather. I love this little tail light with the machined housing there. Looks great, and I was a bit concerned when I saw the concept last year that they might kind of have to put a license plate hanging off beneath it, but they've done a good job of moving it down here so it doesn't mess up that beautiful tail section. And then yeah, you've got the matching front end with that headlight LED in a similarly machined housing or bezel. This bike has cast wheels. The original prototype and the Serie Oro, or the kind of really high spec version of this, has Caneo spoked rims, but these are cast. And there's the single-sided swing arm with the rear cast wheel. And then the exhausts look like they're straight off the F3. This essentially is a production version, something that's meant to be more reasonably priced than the Serie Oro Ultra spec'd one. There's also a white and black option to that red one we've just seen, but I think I prefer the red. And then here's the Serie Oro, a little bit more special looking. Look at that finish. You've got this billet fuel filler cap and a leather tank strap there, and then this lovely Arrow exhaust. On the original prototype, I think it was SC Project, but Arrow seemed to have provided it for this Serie Oro version, and you can see it's I think a 3:1:3. A few extra bits of carbon and a gold finish on the frame and swing arm, a gold chain as well. There's the spoked wheels, and then yeah, the classic red and silver MV finish. I mean, obviously this one looks incredible, but it'll be a lot more expensive. But in many ways this looks pretty cool too. I think it's a bit more understated, but still has those nice lines of the fairing and the tail. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. This is one of my favourite bikes of the last couple of years, so don't say anything mean about it.